Are you a property owner looking to sell your rental property? Wondering how to navigate the process with tenants involved? This video is designed to impart practical tips and highlight potential complications that can arise during this process. Stay tuned as we delve into some practical tips to make this process easier. First off, it's essential to recognize your tenants' rights. Understanding and respecting these rights are crucial during the selling process. It's not just a legal obligation, but it also paves the way for a smoother transition. Remember, the tenant's home is also your asset. Providing proper notice is paramount, as is considering the possibility of lease transfers. This way, you ensure a win-win situation for both parties involved. Remember, a smooth selling process starts with respecting your tenant's rights. Next, remember that communication is key. When selling a rental property, it's essential to keep your tenants in the loop. Let them know about your plans, the selling process, and what it may mean for them. Be transparent about showings and inspections, ensuring they are comfortable and their privacy is respected. A good relationship with your tenants can smooth the path to a successful sale. Remember, your tenants are your allies in this endeavor. Maintaining open lines of communication can help ease any potential tensions. Another tip: consider selling to investors. Investors often bring a unique appeal, particularly when dealing with rental properties. You see, they may be willing to buy your property with tenants in place, sidestepping the need for tenant relocation. This could be a major relief, especially if you're concerned about disrupting your tenants' lives. What's more, investors typically aim for a quicker closing process, which could fast-track your sale. So don't overlook this option. Selling to an investor could be a win-win situation. So, to recap, it's essential to recognize tenant rights, maintain open communication throughout the process, and consider the option of selling to investors. With these tips in mind, you can navigate the process of selling your rental property with confidence. Thanks for watching.